Let's bring in trader Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. And Joe, we'd love to get a closer look at the market action this week, especially with those technical levels. How well is the stock market holding up?
Yeah, what a difference 8 days make. We've seen a tremendous recovery in the markets. I talked about getting over the 50-day moving average was key for the S&P 500. We're now above our 200-day moving average and actually finding a little bit of support there. So for the rally to sustain itself, I think it needs to stay above that 200-day moving average, needless to say. Now, if it should fail, I should remind you, we had a really high VIX just a week ago, and it's come off so quickly. I feel confidently that if the rally should fail and we dip below that 200-day moving average, we'll see a quick return to volatility as we still have all those worries you were mentioning out before. We still have Ukraine, we still have the Fed, we still have inflation, and we're still uncertain about the economy.
The Russian stock market is supposed to partially reopen today. Will that affect the U.S. stock market?
Yeah, it should be interesting to see limited trading starting today in Russia. We'll see if that adds any volatility. I expect there'll be a dramatic decline in those stocks that are trading. And the sanctions, of course, it's not going to help the situation. Maybe we'll get a little bit of clarity on some of the trading activity. However, sometimes there can be a contagion effect if it is something that causes a bankruptcy that European banks or European markets have exposure to that could flip over here to America also.
Thanks, Joe, and have a great trading day.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.